tour from Riddle to the most remote corner of the solar system. You'll spend 10 nights at a futuristic hotel.
This video, the title of this video is the first real pictures of Pluto's surface. I want to see if this is cap. I haven't talked about anything scientific in a while. Hold on, is Pluto a planet? Wait, let me see. Last time I heard from one of my professors, I believe Pluto wasn't a planet. It was classified as like something, it's called the dwarf planet. Let me see. Hold on, let's do a science lesson right now. All right, let's have some fun. Is Pluto a planet? Pluto is still not an official planet in our solar system. I think it's because it's so small. Right? It's large enough to have become a spherical, but it's not big enough to exert its orbital dominance and clear the neighborhood surrounding its orbit. Okay. I don't know what the fuck that means, but okay. Let's go to the official NASA website. Let's see what that says.
Pluto fake as fuck.
Yeah, Pluto is fake as... Alright, so this is what Pluto's supposed to look like. Can we get a full screen of this? Alright, this is Pluto. Alright, Pluto is the furthest of all the planets, like in the solar system, our solar system. It's like the furthest away. The one that we know about, right? Of the 9 so-called planets, it's the furthest away from the sun. There's other planets out there, but I'm not talking about planets that, you know, like Planet X and shit like that, okay? So this is... Holy shit, this is supposed to be space. Alright, so these are the other planets over here. Now, mind you, it looks close, but it's not. Hold on, let me move my webcam out of the way so you guys can see this. Alright, so you see Jupiter, Earth. Alright, that's our home planet. Mars. It even looks far just from the graphic. And it's super far, like in real life. It's like 94 fucking billion miles away. That's how far it is. Okay? It has like this dark, dirty spot at the bottom of the planet. The rest of it is white. I don't know what that white is. What is that supposed to be, like snow or something? Distance from sun. It's 3 point...
Debate of the year. What's scarier, bottom of the ocean or space?
I would say the ocean. Well, space, we literally can't live in space. You know, we need to have like a suit on. So with space, it's just like literally just a bunch of nothingness out there. Okay? Are there...
Cum stain for sure.
Yeah, cum stain for sure. Are there aliens? I do believe in aliens. Of course aliens exist. There's other species out there. But they have to be like way further away from us. They have to be in like other like galaxies and solar systems. I don't think it's in... They're not in our immediate like... Hold on, I'm trying to turn around. Hold on, someone's writing something. Let me see. Said you posted your food in chat?
We have to wear
Dude,
a suit for
look at
both,
that
not
shit.
just space.
I need that. What is that? That's from Chick-fil-A? What is this? Steve-O, what is this? You order from Chick-fil-A all the time. What is this meal? What is this menu item that Seth is eating right now? He says the hood has been fed. No, the hood has not been fed because you didn't feed me.
Yes.
Somebody send me like $15 just so I can order something online because I choose not to spend my own money.
Chicken minis.
All right, chicken minis? Where's the sauce? I see no sauce. Wait, hold on. What the fuck? Where's the sauce?
And hash browns.
You eating this by yourself?
Happy smiley.
First of all, you eating this by yourself, which is selfish. You're not sharing the food. All right? You greedy fuck. And where's the sauce? You're not going to eat this with ketchup? No blue cheese or anything? Just by itself? The sauce has been posted. The sauce has been posted, people. All right? This looks like... It looks like those like salad dressings. Okay? They only gave you 3. Should ask for more. All right, that's dope as fuck right there. Nice, nice.
Honey in the bread.
Is honey in the bread?
ALR. Blue cheese is crazy.
Nah, blue cheese is not crazy. I love that blue cheese.
Honey and grape in bag.
Wait, do you guys really think blue cheese is that, like, you really don't like blue cheese? Blue cheese is fire, bro. How you, like, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you guys? You need to get on my level.
Pluto's red whale came from, and
I eat everything with blue
you'll
cheese.
also find out what color is the sunset here.
I'll get the hash brown
It's
in there.
mid.
It's mid?
On this dwarf planet, are you ready to spend your vacation on Pluto?
Yes, I want to spend my vacation on Pluto.
All
Yes.
your problems on the Earth.
Send me there. Send me fucking billions of miles away from this shit. Okay, this planet is about to die
Brew in the
anyways.
morning. You disgust me. Yes, I'm here, bro.
What's up, VT? Good morning. Oh shit. I'm so sorry. Okay. First of all, send me away from this planet that we call Earth because this thing is about to end. All right. We had a segment, and I broke down as to why that was the case. All right. Nuclear weapons, all the wars, the diseases, the pandemic is getting out of control. All these viruses. All right. Just give me away. Just send me with the rich. All right. Put me on that first ticket with the rich to colonize Mars or some shit. Okay. It don't even have to be Pluto. Pluto's too far away.
The flight to Pluto will take about 10 years. How to spend all
right, so
this
10
time
years in
without
space.
getting bored. All is going to be taken care of thanks to this episode's sponsor, World of Tanks. It's a free-to-play PC.
No. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. See? You saw that? You saw they just tried to, like, sneak that in there? They tried to sneak in the promotion on me. Nah. You can't sneak that in there. Long promo.
Is taken by NASA's New Horizons spacecraft in 2015. But what is it really? To see the whale, you have to get to Pluto's equator. Along it, there's the darkest and the oldest region on the dwarf planet.
Whoa, this is a fucking whale on Pluto. A whale on Pluto?
Cthulhu macula, or the red whale. It has a diameter
You promote
of
all the time, buddy, rolling on the floor
2,990
laughing.
kilometers. Most likely, this dark-colored region is the result of a massive impact, the same intergalactic collision that formed Pluto's gigantic moon named Charon. But how did it get its red coloring? Yasuhito Sekine, an associate professor at the University of
I hate
Tokyo,
when it does
conducted an experiment to investigate this mystery. He heated solutions of organic molecules that could have been present on the newly forming Pluto soon after the formation of the solar system. After heating solutions to 50 degrees Celsius for 2 months, Sekine got the same dark reddish color. But how could there be such a high temperature on Pluto? Another scholar, Hidenori Genda, an associate professor at the Tokyo Institute of Technology,
Sorry, I'm in
conducted
tune to
computer
this.
simulations of a giant impact on Pluto, which could have resulted in the formation of Charon. Genda found that such a powerful collision could have created a huge pool of hot water near Pluto's equator. And as this giant pool cooled, complex organic materials were formed on the surface, and these materials eventually gave the whale its deep red color. Do you want to take
Okay, so the whale is not actually a whale. Okay, I'm thinking there's like an actual like whale, like big ass whale, swimming on the planet Pluto. But that's not the case. They're talking about this area. It's basically some gigantic area of like hot, not water, like hot something. Okay, it's just heated up from this collision.
extraordinary selfie of your life?
That's
Come
what they
to
call the
Pluto
red
to
whale.
Take a picture with the red whale. You may ask, but are there proper conditions for tourists on Pluto? Shouldn't such space travel be dangerous?
What conditions for tourists can be expected on Pluto?
No, it's not just non-dangerous, but on the contrary.
All right, so hold on. Let me
Charge-
just explain for the context of this video. So one, Pluto is so far away, it takes 10 years, I think in space. Yeah, in space. 10 years in space. Remember, the way time works in space is massively slow. Okay? So I think like how does the hold on. Let me research the measurements. Let me research the measurements. 5 years in space. How long would that be on Earth? 5 Hold on. So it takes 10 years to travel to Pluto. What the fuck? Whoa, hold. No, hold on. Oh, no, it's saying 6 days on Pluto is 250 years for us. I'm looking at all these science websites, but I can't find the answer. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and take an educated guess. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? I'm going to hypothesize how long 10 years in space travel is here on Earth. I'm assuming it's probably like something like 50 years, okay? I ain't gonna lie, it's probably like 50 years. I'm trying to like smoothen my brain out and get the answer from out of nowhere, but an educated guess at the same time. So
I think they be capping about all this shit. How the fuck they know it takes 10 years to get there unless they already did it? They hiding shit. I think it's already aliens here or been here.
dude, that would be scary.
Bro, you are asking the wrong question.
I'm asking the wrong question? Well, let me know. What question am I supposed to be asking, Bird? And shout out to you. You are a first-time chat and viewer.
Could extend your life.
Say hello to YouTube because you're going up there on YouTube, bruh.
A few hundred years.
All right, so
Scientists figured out that on this dwarf planet, humans can live 4 times as long as on the Earth, between 300
whoa,
and 320.
god damn it! You could live up to 300 years on Pluto. Are you fucking kidding me? Imagine living 300 years, dude. I know a lot of people see that as like a positive, like, god damn it, dude, I live for 3 centuries. Nah, I don't want to live for 3 centuries, okay? I don't want to live that long. And first of all, you're going to be living on Pluto.
What is
the
the
fuck
circle
is out there?
behind? I was gone for
If
that.
it's less than half the Earth's
Yo, what's
gravity-
good
This whole
Baker
space
Mayfield
stuff
here?
is like driving me crazy. All right, just being like, I'm looking at a graphic, okay? Imagine actually being in space and seeing all of this.
Type in Google how long it takes to get to Pluto.
Type in Google. All right, so let's see. They said 10 years in the video, but who knows? They're probably capping. How long is my dick? No, sorry. How long does it take to get to Pluto? All right, so yeah, it says about 10 years, 9.5 years to reach Pluto, which is about
1.3 centimeters.
billion miles. God damn it! So by the time you get to Pluto, you'll be 10 years older.
There's your answer.
Yeah,
Baby rage, baby rage,
Yeah,
baby rage, baby rage, baby size.
It could
Holy shit.
significantly slow the aging processes. Just imagine, Pluto's gravity is just 1/16 that of the Earth's. Scientists obtained data on...
Wait, hold on. So Pluto's gravity is 1/16 of that of Earth. So what does that mean? It's slower or is it faster? It's saying it's 1/16 of. So if the gravity is 1/16 of Earth, does that mean you're falling faster or you're falling slower? I'm sorry, I know that's a stupid question, right? But I don't know the direct answer. So I'm assuming somebody that's watching the stream majored in science or is probably taking a science class right now.
You jump a higher, I think.
You jump higher.
Slower.
Okay, slower. You guys are confusing me. I think it's slower. It is slower. So basically, if I'm on Pluto right now, let's say I just landed on Pluto, okay? And I jump up, it's going to be like, you get what I'm saying? Or if I fall off a building, there is no buildings in Pluto, okay? But let's say if I'm falling
You're
from a
not
height,
falling as much.
you're not falling as much.
That means less gravity is pulling you down, so you can float higher.
Okay, got it. I just wanted to make sure, because I had I had a dumb fuck moment.
life expectancy from a mathematical model, and you may be the first to test it on a practical level. The average temperature on Pluto's surface is 50 Kelvin. That's about minus 223 degrees Celsius.
What the
You know
fuck? No, you can't live on this shit. Wait, hold on. Let's get a repeat of that. Hold on. What?
That's about minus 220.
So that's the actual degrees? That's the
I
actual
looked it up. If
temperature?
you jumped, you'd stay in
There's
air
no,
for about
there's
9
no living
or
on
10
this.
seconds.
What the fuck? We over here talking about hypotheticals.
We can
and
basically fly on Pluto.
Yeah, but look at the temperature. That is insane. That is crazy. There's no living this, okay? Unless you're like Superman. If you're Superman, yeah, that's different. But none of us are. We're just wait, what the
3 degrees Celsius. In-orbit fusion power plants would help to change it. They'll transfer
That's too hot
energy
for me.
to the surface of the
that's
core.
Oh hell no, I'd instantly.
Dude, that's like the fucking temperature of my room right now. That's why I have the AC on.
But don't worry, the power plants won't obscure your view of Charon, Pluto's largest moon. It appears 9 times larger in the sky than our moon.
Yeah, we can't
Pluto and
survive
Charon
that at all,
experience
LOL.
synchronous rotation, meaning the same side of Charon forever faces the same side of Pluto. Even
I mean,
if
just look at this. Look at this graphic. I mean, holy fuck. Imagine being in space, bro, and seeing all that. Imagine, like, you're in the ship and just seeing this. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's just nothing. It's just stars that you can't really reach to and planets that's too far away. You're just seeing all
Ghost,
black.
did you hear the rock rapping?
Imagine seeing this stuff. It's like... Did you hear the rock rapping? No, I didn't see it. Send me the link.
they orbit around a
Yeah, I heard he
common
has a
point
song.
in space. This will enable us to build the world's first space cable car between Pluto and Charon. Imagine waking up at a villa among Pluto's nitrogen ice, drinking a cup of coffee in the cable car, and taking a morning stroll on Charon's
This is just
water
absolute
ice.
fantasy. Talking about a space cable car between the two planets. I mean, between Pluto and Charon. That's impossible. I mean, you guys just said it was
Space way
negative
scarier than the bottom
370
of the
fucking
ocean.
degrees. How can you build?
https://www.youtube.com
How can you build that there?
/watch question mark v equals sign NIRTUTY 2KJK.
Okay,
There
thanks.
it is.
And what about crowds of tourists?
This is
Pluto's
fantasy.
surface area is almost the same as that of contemporary Russia. That's about 1/29th the surface area of the Earth. But don't worry, you won't have to queue up.
What?
for
And y'all a
ages,
dumb y'all
even
said
if
too
the
hot on
entire
Pluto that temperature said
population
minus
of
Sorry,
300 some
sorry.
that's
Oh wait,
freezing.
wait, wait, it's freezing. It's freezing. I saw 369, but I forgot it was a negative in front of that. So it's free. It's the opposite. It's too cold. It's too cold. No, but there is a hot surface on it. Remember in the beginning of the video, they said there was a explosion on Pluto, and there's a hot surface on Pluto that is like it's very hot. This thing is all over the place. It's freezing and it's hot at the same time.
time. The population density per
Remember the
square
red whale?
kilometer will be the same as in the Netherlands. That's 440
I was
people
joking.
per square kilometer. For reference,
And I'm
New
not
York
clicking on
has
that
an
link. I
overall
don't think that that's the
population
actual
density
video.
of
I think you probably send me
10,194
some
people
creepy
per
pasta
square
or whatever that
kilometer.
is.
Just imagine that on
I know you sent me
Pluto,
creepy
which
pasta, didn't
has
you, right?
no atmosphere, you'll breathe 23 times easier than in New York. But even if you're not planning on moving to the icy dwarf planet, you can always spend your vacation here.
Probably
That's
mad
actually
tornadoes
quite
on
a lot to
Pluto.
see.
Yeah, this thing
And
is
it's
all
not
over. Look at
just the
that,
red
bro.
whale.
Come on. Who the fuck would live on something like
That's
that?
actually quite a lot to see. And it's not
Like, come on, look at this. Just looking at that, you wouldn't.
On God,
you
it's
can
the
already
real
tell
link.
it's
Have
not.
Steve-O click it, he will tell you it's real.
You can already tell that it's not habitable. It's not. Why would anyone in their right mind travel to a planet that looks like that?
not just the red whale. What sights can you see on Pluto?
Nothing,
To enjoy
'cause you
a
can't
full
live on that
Charon in the
freezing
sky,
tundra.
You have to stay somewhere in the equatorial region. By the way, that's the only place you can observe the alternation of day and night on Pluto, due to the fact that the rotational axis of the planet is highly inclined. On Pluto's poles, night changes to day once every 124 years.
What?
And at the equator,
Ghost rock
Once
spitting
every
bars.
124 years?
Yo should watch the Mandela tapes, bro. Is creepy.
My God. Okay, can someone send me like a video link to the bottom of the ocean because we're gonna watch the bottom of the ocean after this, okay? We're gonna get really scientific here, but it needs to be a short video though. I want to know, what does the bottom of the ocean?
https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=sign NIRTUTY
There's no way you found it
2kjk.
that fast.
Watch Rock Rap at like 1 minute.
One day takes just about 153 hours. And I'd advise you not to
One day is
miss the
153
sunrises
hours.
and sunsets. During that time,
You got
the
me fucked
sky
up, and
looks
Pluto got me fucked up
amazingly
too.
blue.
Yeah, this is
Don't
too much,
forget
bro.
that this dwarf planet spins backwards, so
And it spins backwards, bro. It goes backwards.
So the sun rises in the
What the
west.
fuck?
It looks like a dim bulb, though. But it's spring on Pluto now, which means there'll be a gradual increase of sunlight. Pretty soon, the day will be even brighter there than a full moon.
320 times
Where
brighter.
to go and what to see on Pluto?
Yo.
The area with craters.
This is
strewn
too fucking
across the
crazy.
dark
What's up, Crazy
landscape of
2K?
Vega Terra is
It's crazy, just like you, Crazy. This is too much. We can't live on this. We can't. What am I doing even covering this video? Over here fantasizing on colonizing another planet. No, we can't colonize this. This is way too far. One is way too far. It takes too long to get there. It's freezing. Then there's way too hot spots on this planet. Okay, it takes too long for the days to go by. It's 153 hours in a day. Your average day on Pluto is 153 hours. Okay, and then for it to spin around the sun, it takes 200 years, something like that. No, come on. What? What are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? And the average human being will live 300 years on this planet. So that means you'll spin around this earth, the sun one time. That's it. One time. One time. That's all it would take. This is bullshit. Let's see that rock video. Hold on. Let me see what this is about.